Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us yet again in another video. And if you're new here, kindly click the subscribe button and join the winning team. In today's video, as you can see, I'm in a different space. Yeah, I'm going to be giving you the remedy for an itchy throat or a cough and flu sort of. Yeah, because I'm having that right now. So I just thought, why not make a video about it? So don't mind the space because it's at work and there's nothing much. Yeah. So I just have garlic with me. Oh, sorry. I just have ginger with me. I have ginger with me here, and these tiny lemons. Yeah, but I'm sure they'll really be helpful. And yeah, basically that's it. So I'm going to just wash these. Yeah, so just be rinsing these. I'll be rinsing them. Yeah, you really have to make sure that clean and everything. And set them aside. I'm going to do the same to the ginger. So I like have to peel off the ginger and everything. It has to be peeled.
Yeah, so just peel off your ginger. You can peel it. I prefer it when you actually peel it, but people use it like that. So just peel it off and then you can just cut it into smaller pieces. You can chop it. If you have a chopping board, even easier because you just chop it into finer pieces till it has for you to absorb more juice out of it. Yeah, so just smash it.
So yeah, you can choose some. I always do this. I always make this before I could rush to any artificial medicine. And many times I actually get better with just this. I don't even have to take any cough syrup or anything. I'll just take this and I'll be okay eventually.
Okay, from here you now grab your lemon and you just cut it horizontally like that. Yeah, and then you squeeze out the juice. Just make sure you squeeze everything out of here. And after that you can actually just add some warm water and a tiny bit of salt and you're done with your solution. That's how it looks like. Trust me, you'll be okay in no time.
Okay, so this is me enjoying it right now. Not bad, it's actually good, really good. Yeah, so okay, so that's basically it guys. I hope you found this video helpful and educative. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And then install part of my voice. Don't forget to hit